Today I'm going to introduce to you a very powerful and useful communication software called Xingfafa. Not only can it perform the normal functions, but it can also provide free voice over IP phone call and free location-based service. Xingfafa has applications on most smartphones and cell phones like Android, iPhone, and regular computers like PC and Apple iMacs. Next, I'm going to introduce the application's easy-to-use functions. Once you have successfully downloaded Xingfafa, you will see two contacts, Fafa Online Support and Fafa Service. But if some of your friends are already on Xingfafa, their icons will show up as well. If you want to add more friends, you can do so by clicking the plus button in the upper right-hand corner. Select what country they're from, and type in their phone number. Then click the button in the right-hand corner when you have finished. You should now see the friends you added on the contact page. You can exchange free phone calls and share locations with your friends together. Now I will demonstrate how to call someone on Xingfafa. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Xingfafa. Once you're done talking, you can hang up. You can use location-based service to share your friends' locations. You can send messages. Emoticon faces, as well as voice messages. Hello. With Xingfafa, you can send images, and pre-made voice recordings like I miss you. We have intercom functions to send to your friends. Hi, welcome to Xingfafa. All your contact history will be recorded on the history interface. And you can also see your personal messages. You're able to send voice recordings, images, pictures, video files, and documents. To call friends, type a phone number into the keypad. With Xingfafa, you can call your friends free of charge and share locations. Now, my Fafa friends are easier to reach.